Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Rashmi Swarna. I would want to identify myself as a human come doctor because as doctors, we know many things, but as humans, we do many other things. Want to tell that though we know many things about health, but basically because we are humans, we may not follow all the things. So there are some traits, there are some tendencies with which we would also want to eat something. Sometimes we sleep late night. Sometimes we do mistakes with respect to health. We get lazy. Yes, basically we are human beings, right? So I am human come doctor. The purpose of this video today is because I've started doing YouTube videos. There are many a times when I see others' video, I feel overwhelmed and start thinking that whether this is a space for me, can I make some space for myself in this platform? Uh, whether I'm as special as others who are doing great actually on YouTube, because we basically see who are great, right? We don't see average people or below average people. But as individuals, we are important for ourselves. That is there. Every individual feels that. Now, when we start comparing ourselves to those great creators who have millions of followers or millions of viewers, compared to that, we may feel below average, not at all special, right? But then I realize, mainly because there is my sister in law who always tells that we can't make impact on everyone, but there could be few who can relate with us who, I mean, we can become the voice of them. There are many who can't talk, express themselves. So for them, we might be the representatives, right? So that gives me that motivation, that encouragement that I can do something, at least for very few people. More than enough, right? Putting good impact on very few people is also great than putting bad impact on many people. So I think if you are also feeling that this platform is not for us because there are already so many successful people already, what can we do? This platform seems to be for everyone. We are special already or not, but we should be special for us. I think we should make some sense with whatever we are talking. People can relate with us. We have to make good utilization of this opportunity which this time is giving us, this internet world is giving us. Uh, you should not stop. I or we should not stop from doing good videos. Though we may sound very below average with respect to the looks, the costumes, the background, the lights, even the volume, but still there is that voice which can connect with at least few. That shouldn't be like we should not withhold ourselves from reaching such people who would want to listen to us. If you relate to this, give a thumbs up. Thank you.